Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain social practice paper 2 because we conduct the first SA1 exam in April first week. So on this purpose we prepare two papers. Already I explained practice paper 1. So today I explain practice paper 2. So there are 7 mains in this paper. I read one by one all the main with answer. First main. What is the first main? Write missing letters. So there are 5 words are given. You must learn the words with spelling. First one, Himalaya. 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 Second one, agriculture. 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 Third one, vegetation. 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 Fourth one, peninsula. 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 Fifth one, lagoon. 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 Understood? First one, once again I repeat the words. Himalaya, agriculture, vegetation, peninsula, lagoon. Next main. Write yes or no. So there are some statements are 5 statements are given. You must read carefully and put yes or no. The statement are right, you write yes. The statements are wrong, you write no. What is the first one? Many parts in the northern mountains have rich reserve of minerals and fuels resources. Many parts of northern mountains have rich reserves of minerals and fuels. The statement is correct. You write tick or S. Second one. The Ganga joins the Arabian Sea. So the Ganga joins the Arabian Sea. It is correct. You write S. Third one. Desert is flat area covered with thick sheet of loose sand. Desert is a flat area covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. That is correct. Next, fourth one. India has a very long coastline. India has a very long coastline. The statement is correct. You write S. Next, fifth one. Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. The statement is wrong. You write no. Understood? Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of sheets. The statement is wrong. So you write no. Understood? Once again I repeat. Many parts in the northern mountains have rich reserves of minerals and fuel resource. Statement correct. The Ganga joins the Arabian Sea. S. Desert is the flat area covered with thick sheet of loose sand. S. India has a very long coastline. S. Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. Next, third main. Fill up the blanks. Red soils are red in color as it is mixed with iron oxides. What do you write? Red. Red soils are red in color as it mixed with iron oxides. Second, peacock is the national bird. Which is the national bird? Peacock. The length of total coastline of India is 6,100 km. The length of the total coastline of India is 6,100 km. The Chota Nagpur plateau is rich in mineral, especially coal. Fifth one. The Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. Next. Understood? Once again I repeat. Fill up the blanks. Red soils are red in color as it is mixed with iron oxides. Peacock is national bird. The length of total coastline of India is 6,100 kilometers. The Chota Nagpur plateau is rich in mineral, especially coal. The Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. Understood? Next main. Match the following. So there are 5 A and B columns are given and also 5 words in A and 5 words in K. You match correct words. First A, Kanyakumari. Visakhapatnam, Port Blair, India, Indira Point, Coral Reef. In B, shipbuilding yard, cellular jail, southernmost tip of India. C, animals, Vivekananda and Memorial Park, rock. So, Kanyakumari, that is E. E, what is the E? Vivekananda Memorial Rock. Second, Visakhapatnam, shipbuilding yard, Fort Blair, cellular jail. Indira Point, what is Indira Point? Southernmost tip of India. Coral Reef, what is C? Animals. Understood? Kanyakumari, Vivekananda Memorial Rock, Visakhapatnam, shipbuilding yard, Fort Blair cellular jail, Indira Point, southernmost tip of India, Coral Reef, C, animals. Understood? Next main, answer the following. Name any two peaks of Great Himalayas. The name two peaks of Great Himalaya are Mount Everest and Kanyakumari. Name any three rivers of northern plains. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Satluj rivers. Understood? Which are the three rivers? Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj river. Third one, where is the desert located in India? The desert is located in western part of Rajasthan. The desert is located in western part of Rajasthan. What are the major groups of islands? The major groups of islands are Arabian Sea Island and Bay of Bengal Islands. Where are the Sundarbans situated? Sundarbans are situated in West Bengal. Where is Sundarbans situated? In West Bengal. Once again I repeat the question answers. Name any two peaks of Great Himalaya. Answer is Mount Everest and Kanchanajunga. Second one, name any three rivers of northern plains. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra and Satluj rivers. Third one, where is the desert located in India? The desert is located in western parts of Rajasthan. What are the major groups of islands? Arabian Sea Islands and Bay of Bengal Island. Where are the Sundarbans situated? Sundarbans are situated in West Bengal. Next, answer the following. What is soil erosion? The removal of topsoil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The removal of topsoil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Or write the short notes on ship of the desert. Camel is called as the ship of the desert. It is a very useful animal in the desert region. It is a chief mode of transportation. It can travel miles without taking rest. Understood? Camel is called the ship of desert. It is a very useful animal in the desert region. It is a chief mode of transportation. It can travel miles without taking rest. Understood? Next, what if, first once again I repeat the question answers. These are 2 or 3 answers, question answers. Center you write 3 or 4 sentences. What is soil erosion? The removal of topsoil by action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Write the short notes on ship of the desert. Camel is called as ship of the desert. It is very useful animal in the desert region. It is a chief mode of transportation. It can travel miles without taking rest. Understood? So these are all the important mains. Understood? What are the mains in this in the second paper? First main, write the missing letter. Second main, write yes or no. Third main, fill up the blanks. Fourth main, match the following. Fifth main, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. And sixth main is answer the following 3 or 4 sentences. So these are all the important mains in this lesson, in this paper. Children, once again I told you, first you write, first you read this question paper 2 or 4 times. 2 to 4 times. Clearly you read one by one with spelling. Then you write, even practice in rough note. First you write the answers with C, and afterwards you write the questions, and without seeing the answer you practice. Understood? This is the method of what? Writing or prepare the examination. So you practice like this, you get it good marks. Understood? I think all of you understand about this. In next class I will continue. Till now, take care.